What do you have?
Jason, what do I have?
I'm not sure. Different types of salsa.
She's got mustard on it.
I forget which is the spiciest.
Baked mustard.
Oh, I put all 3 on this chip.
I think this might be the spiciest.
I think that's actually spicier than all 3 of them.
Might be.
I don't know which one's the spiciest, but I'm feeling something.
Cameron. Natalia, you just farted?
Stop it. Quit blaming the one that is least likely to do it.
She farted.
She what?
Cameron farted in your direction. He's blowing it back. Okay, for real, I don't know which one's spicier, so we're gonna try this again.
I literally only leaned a little action.
Oh, it's that one. It's that one.
That's the spiciest?
Well, I didn't even try it.
Try a little
I need a drink.
Shouldn't burp like that.
Cameron, I dare you to try one.
No.
Which one?
Yes.
I'll do it.
What is this?
No.
Pete'll do it.
I tried that one. Oh, I tried all of them, but that one's really worse than that one.
Is that mustard?
I'm gonna see if this one's
No, it's
bad.
like a green salsa.
You know, it's pointing at this.
That one's not as bad.
Which one's the hottest one?
Well, that one's least spicy than that one for sure.
Does it taste bad though?
I don't think so.
This chip, right?
That one's spicier. This one, that one. That one's
Okay.
spiciest.
Okay, let me try it.
Whoops.
I've been drinking all my drink.
But I'm also not a spicy person. It's in her blood.
It's not too bad.
It's in your blood.
You did the green one, not the really, really spicy one. So hot. Cleanse the palate.
Is your burrito good?
Dad, is this hot for you?
I want
It's the hottest of the 3. It's a little hot, but it's okay. It's good. I mean, it's not too hot for me. The burrito is good. It's not what I typically would have ordered, but since it's like their most popular thing here, I wanted to try it.
Actually, does your dad take this? I need to get it on his piece. Yummy.
I don't remember which one's runnier.
Which
One of
one?
them's more liquidy.
It's the red one that's more liquidy.
He's got a good tolerance for spicy food.
I know.
One of them's more liquidy between the other.
What?
I don't remember which one's liquidy between these two. Which one's